Hey, this is Digital Dave with another cryptocurrency and blockchain update. Just a few weeks ago, a couple weeks ago, we launched our Crazy for Cryptos website, and the domain is crazyforcryptos.com. And this site is for the new investor into Bitcoin and cryptos, and even for the intermediate and experienced investor. And I'll tell you why all levels might find this site of value. So I'm just going to do a quick tour of the website. Here is the home page here. Um, Down here I have some testimonials from some clients I've worked with in the past. Very happy clients. More on the way. I'll be interviewing. And let's see. So here's a tour here quickly. Here is the about page, and this is about me and my journey and how I got the name Digital Dave. It also tells you how when I got into cryptos, which was almost 3 years ago, how I bought XRP at less than a penny, and it went up to more than $3. And when I bought XRP, I had no idea what it did. I had no idea. I just bought it out of intuition, and it turned out okay. And I've got some other picks that have done well also, but I'll get to that in just a moment. Let's see. Sorry, go back here to the Crypto Insider. And this has a link to, let's see, let me pull it up here. This has a link to my Patreon page, which Patreon is it's a membership site, and have got a lot of great info on there. I've been blogging and posting videos and writing tutorials, doing all kinds of things on my Patreon site since June or July of 2018. And so I've been blogging for quite some time, 18 months or 19 months, whatever it comes to. So this is the Patreon site, and if you're a new investor, I teach people how to onboard into cryptos, and I teach people how to cash out, how to offboard. I've covered so many things in there. I've got probably more than 100,000 words on here. So I've got a novel in here about cryptos and investing, et cetera, et cetera. But the way that the site is laid out is you can it's posted in chunks, so you can just read a little bit and you get a lot of value off of one article, and you can click to another one, et cetera, et cetera. Really easy the way the Patreon site is laid out. You can just select whatever you want to look at, menu style. You can choose, like, from a menu, say I want to read this, I want to read about this, read about this, and I'll come back and read that later, watch this video, et cetera. So that's how the Crypto Insider works out. And I compare myself to Palm Beach Confidential in many ways. In some ways, I do things that they do not cover. Palm Beach Confidential, they cover, they pick cryptocurrencies that could go up exponentially in price in a short amount of time. They've got some good picks they've done in the past. Not all of them have turned out like they thought, but that's the way to be fair, that's the way the crypto game works. You study a currency or project, and you say, well, it's going to do good, and nothing happens. That's when you want to have a diverse portfolio. You want to have more than more than 3 coins. You want to have probably 10 coins. I have 20 different projects that I've invested in. I discuss those in the Patreon. I also teach people how to make their own cryptocurrency. It's a lot easier than you think if you have the right know-how and if you have the right tools. But I teach people in my Patreon how to create their own crypto. You can create your own crypto for your coffee shop, for your restaurant, for your construction business, for your concert, for an event, a charity event. You can make your own crypto, and you can use that cryptocurrency as like a ticket or a giveaway. There's so many things you can do with it, and I'll talk about that. And most importantly is I teach people how to make good money with cryptos and about which coin to invest in. Okay, so here's the link to that is here. Got a little intro video here. Here's a Crazy for Cryptos mastermind meeting I had. This might have been 2017 when I took this. We had this meeting. We took this photo. Anyways, so next page is the resources page. And some good tidbits here about, this is some free information here. If you're just getting into the crypto game, if you want to buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies with a credit card, have some links here for that. Here's a peer-to-peer way to buy and sell Bitcoin Cash. There's so many things here. Coin Mama. Some of the little links here that I think you'll find interesting here. These resources, and this is it's going to grow over time. There's so many things I'm going to be adding to the resources. The next one, this is the exchange, and I know a lot of people have already used this quite a bit, and people that don't know about it, you can swap your cryptos for other cryptos with no account needed whatsoever. So Crazy for Cryptos, we partner with Change Now Exchange, and I've got and to the site, there's a built-in exchange built into the Crazy for Cryptos website, and I'll just show you quickly how it works. Let's say if you have 1 Bitcoin, that's by default. You can, there's 150 coins you can choose from to trade from and to trade into. So many different projects here. We'll just say for simplicity, okay, we'll get Bitcoin. Let's say you've got 0.3 Bitcoin, and you want some Ethereum. Okay, so for 0.3 Bitcoin at the current rate at the time of this video, you get 14.4 Ethereum. It shows you the rate, and click on exchange. And here is another confirmation, should pop up here. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to put in the Ethereum address. This is the Ethereum address that the Ethereum will go to after you swap 0.3 Bitcoin. Again, there's 14.44 Ethereum. Click next. Another confirmation about how much Ethereum you're going to get. This is the address the Ethereum will send to. Hit confirm. I'm not going to do a full trade. I'll go as far as I can without doing an actual trade. Okay, waiting for deposit. Now you send the point, in this case, you send 0.3 Bitcoin to this address here. And in a few minutes, you'll see a confirmation. It'll say waiting exchange when the Bitcoin has arrived. And that takes, Bitcoin might take a little bit longer, but usually the average exchange time is about 15 minutes, which is pretty quick. And the fees are so reasonable. The fees are a lot better than the Exodus wallet. You know, the Exodus wallet has a built-in exchange. Fees are a lot better than that, and a lot better than just about any other exchange that I can think of. Is this the Change Now? Okay, so that's all you got to do. You send the Bitcoin here, and then 14.44 Ethereum will come back to your wallet here. It'll say sending, and then 15 minutes later, you'll have your crypto. So if you're on mobile, just click here. This takes you to the full site. So if you're on mobile, this little window might be difficult to use. You just click here, and you can use the same exchange, no problem. Next tab, next page is videos, and for the sake of time, I've already got it loaded here. So this is some of my maybe 10 or 11 YouTube videos I've got posted on here. Some of my better ones or whatever. But yeah, some of my really good ones I thought that should be posted on the website. But you can always go to the YouTube channel, which is also crazyforcryptos.com, youtube.com, crazy for cryptos. Video posted November 1st, I believe. This is the 5 coins to 5 million. This was what Tika Tawari with Palm Beach Confidential picked the 5 coins. It said if you put in $500 each, that could be worth $5 million. So it's about a 2000x gain. And so I'll talk about that, and I reveal what coins they are. So if you want to, you can just go here, check out this video, see what coins they are. And I'll talk about the exchange here, about how you can buy 4 of the 5 coins that are listed here on this exchange here. Okay. The 5th one, which is Crypterium, and I just did a post in my Patreon membership site. I just did a very detailed post on how to set up the Crypterium wallet, how to get free Crypterium, and why I think Crypterium really is a good pick. And I bought into the Crypterium ICO 2 years ago. I've been sitting on those tokens for 2 years waiting for good news. Good news finally came. The app is fantastic, and this is a way the masses will get into cryptos. So check out the video, and yeah, get the 5 coins that are listed here. They're all great projects. I had two of the coins already before Tika released his list. I already had 2 of those, and the 3rd one I've been playing around with. But finally, disclaimer, basically only invest as much money as you can afford to risk. And I cover all I'm transparent, everything that needs to be talked about I bring out here. So it's just, I say don't invest more than 10% of your investment wealth. More than that, it can get a little risky, but you don't need to invest more than 10% into cryptos, because cryptos can go up exponentially, very quickly, um, the 5 coins to $5 million. You put in $2,500 total, and you might have $5 million in a few years. Or you can just downsize that. You can just say you want to go a fifth of that and put in $500 total, and maybe you'll have $1 million. Maybe. There's no guarantees, and I say there's no guarantees, but it's happened before. It's happened in 2017 and early 2018, where like XRP just went parabolic, and other coins as well. And it happened a couple of years prior to that as well. So these cycles cryptos is cyclical. So it's just a matter of time for the next bull run to start, and I believe it's beginning. Where I think we're at the precipice of the next bull run. So doing this video in early November. So we'll see how that works out. So I'm excited for the future of cryptos. Absolutely. So, all right. Well, this is Digital Dave signing out, crazyforcryptos.com, link in the description. So please check it out. And also join the mailing list, because I've got a lot of updates that's going to be coming to the site. The site is just going to continue to grow, and I'll eventually have my own membership site here outside of Patreon. I might keep them both, but I'm going to have something here as well. But I'll keep people that sign up for the newsletter list will be apprised of any new things that's coming out. So, okay, this is Digital Dave signing out. See you